Okay, it makes more light and shades. Uh, okay, especially second tone when you put it looks great. So see, I just make the second tone, same color. Okay, not everywhere, the few areas we did the dark tone, like this area. And this is a way to learn the watercolor also. Very basic watercolor styles you can learn over here. Okay, not much. We are making this first tone of heat. Okay, the second tone.
So can I show mine?
Yeah, you can show yours. And I'm using the yeah, the three. Yeah, nice. This great. We are making the second tone of for here. I'm using yellow ochre. Okay. You should follow. Yeah, it's good. Your tone also nice, but you follow
Sir,
my.
is the head the second or red color?
Yeah, I hate second tone using this yellow ochre and brown sienna for the second tone.
Yellow.
Yellow ochre and brown sienna. This is for the second tones. I'm applied for here.
Burnt recorded brushing and patience from it.
Okay, I using the brown sienna. You know what?
It's a crayon.
So I'm creating over here. Okay, second tone. I mix second tone up also over here a little bit of. I'm using second to the same color, black, Prussian blue, and little crimson red. So I make the same color little dark. Okay, so don't scared. I make the same color little dark. Okay, how to how to create your drawing crazy. I use a mix. After this drawing, I go to the next drawing. This is another character. Okay.
It's okay. These are the children.
So I just making those little settings inside the here and there. So now my color is done. Okay. So we are making the second tone of the still.
Actually, sir, आपने नहीं बोला था water color अभी वो time
कोई बेटा या दिस इज द फर्स्ट डे दैट्स व्हाई मैंने नहीं बोला था आज क्लास होगा ना तो तुम समझ पाओगे क्या क्या चाहिए तो नेक्स्ट डे से तुम ले पाओगे नो प्रॉब्लम टुडे नो नीड्स बिकॉज यू टुडे फर्स्ट डे so don't worry beta I understood okay I never say what is materials needs so next weeks you are arrange the watercolor okay see I make something Okay. Shreya. Study understand. Shreya understand beta. Sinjoy understood beta. Akhilesh understand. Niharika. Iya. Akriti. Netik. Avabya. Okay. Okay. So we are going to thus only this eyes. I using the blue color. Okay. Yeah. This is the blue color for eyes. Okay. So let's we are moving to the next one now. You are finished. Okay. So we make something. We make something. I make some lines, some uh, backgrounds. Okay.